You only realize this when you grow up. Turns out houses can be built like this. No walls, no concrete pouring, not a drop of reinforced cement. The construction team has no doubts. They utilize resource advantages and source local materials, using giant logs. A beautiful log mansion is built in 3 days. A house built this way is not only warm in winter, but also cool in summer. It's earthquake resistant to level 10, and it's simple to build. Construction efficiency is greatly improved. This is due to the abundance of local forest resources. So for hundreds of years, locals have built houses to take full advantage of these resources. You only need to prepare hundreds of tons at a time for a stunning look. Plump, high-quality wood. You can pull them out and carefully select them. By mountains and rivers. Start building from a location with a wide view. Hundreds of years ago, locals still live in houses like this, living a life with fresh air and rain. For the Eastern continent, advanced wooden building technology makes use of rich local timber resources. With such technology, just put the logs with the slots open. Like building blocks, fix the slots vertically and horizontally. They go up one by one. And after drilling holes in the wood, lock the upper and lower connections with a wooden flute. It makes the wall stronger. Although the process is simple, the quality requirements for the wood are very high. It requires a smooth, beautiful appearance, a bright color. It also requires the thickness and size to be consistent. From the required quantity to getting so much high-quality wood, it doesn't seem easy. It's very simple. After all, the local area is not only forest, but also a source of high-quality wood. High-quality wood produces high-quality results. Houses built with it have unparalleled advantages over reinforced concrete. The houses are not only warm and cold resistant, but also strong and firm. It's very strong. Seismic effect. It can be said that even if a magnitude 10 earthquake hits, if you come, you'd better run fast. This log mansion structural framework is all done. It can be handed over to the next construction team. They'll do the interior decoration. So for such a beautiful wooden house, how would you rate it? It turns out that even in extremely cold regions, you can build houses like this. No walls, no pouring, no reinforced concrete. Workers only use pieces of European pine boards to build a beautiful house in 2 days. Not only is it very efficient, it's affordable. So, these are iron boards with a specific arc. It's a wall used to build a house. Just piece them together. It forms a circular structure. This splicing method greatly improves construction efficiency. And they use the same arc plate to fix them above. This is to ensure the strength and firmness of the round wall. And then a circular timber structure, supported by 4 wooden slats, is erected in the middle of the house. Then a wooden strip is placed between the ring structure and the wall. They use screws at both ends of the wooden strip, connecting and fixing them separately. All the wooden strips are built. A ring of wooden beams forms the roof structure. What it does is it's convenient between the bars to lay down the boards as a back cover material for the roof. For the junction of the wooden boards, it needs to be polished flat to facilitate bonding at the junction, to ensure the structure is sealed, to get enough light in the room. Workers are again in the middle at the top. They install a round glass stand. So far, the main structure of the house has been basically formed. Then, the whole house is wrapped with a layer of thermal insulation material. And they wrap a layer of white cloth on the outside of the thermal insulation as an exterior decoration for the house. At the same time, they cut the excess fabric in the connecting area. After cutting and removing, they glue the connection tightly. And on the glass stand, glass can be installed at this time. All installations are complete, and they cover the hole in the middle of the bracket with a glass cover. After, the house has a beautiful glass skylight. And then it comes to the indoors. Insulation material is embedded in the groove between the ceiling wooden beams. Outside the insulation, they seal a layer of decorative panels. Finally, they install the sequence doors and windows for the house. Such a beautiful round house, right in front of your eyes. Not only is it built quickly and efficiently, it also has all the functions of life. So, do you want a house like this?